Did you find some treasures while you were out metal detecting that you want to keep safe and sound? Same here. And I found a perfect pouch for it. And that pouch that I found is the Gray Ghost Ultimate Pouch. This pouch I've had over a year now, and it's very tough. But I'd like to show you just a little bit about this pouch and tell you why I chose it. One of the biggest reasons why is just for its durability. And I'm going to show you some of the features it has. It's a great pouch. Like I said, I had it over a year now. And the thing is I went through at least 2 other pouches and spent more on those 2 than I did on just this one. Whereas if I'd have spent the money on this one first, then problem solved. So I'm trying to solve your problem now before you go spend the money, okay? So this pouch does come with a belt that slides through here. And I've taken the belt off right now so you can see everything that I'm showing you here. So I'm going to start right here in the front. You can see it right here in the front. It's got the zipper pouch here. And again, this zipper it's held intact for me. It hasn't worn out at all. And over on the left side, you're going to have a Velcro pouch here. Okay, this is big enough to hold your iPhone. I do it all the time. Also has a D-ring here. Okay, so, and over on this side, you've got a pouch for a pin pointer right here. And it also has a D-ring so that you can clip your lanyard on it. So that's very handy. So you got your pin pointer right here at you. You got a pouch here to put some of your better finds in. So that's 1, 2, 3 on the outside that you got here. Now let me go ahead and remove this pin pointer so it's out of the way. Now on the inside of this pouch, there's going to be 2 pockets on the inside here. You got one that's an open pocket right here. Put things in. Then you've got a zipper pouch right here that's mesh. Okay. And again, zipper. So far, no problems with the zipper at all on this. It's been holding up very well for me. One other feature I really like about this pouch too is this mesh bottom right here. And for me, I'm always constantly putting big pieces of metal in here, cans, things like that. And I have yet to punch a hole in this mesh. So it's very, very tough. Now, another feature I really, really like about this pouch is the wire on the inside of the top of the pouch here. This is fully adjustable or moldable, as you could say, to your liking. Okay, I like to keep mine wide open like this so that I've got plenty of room to drop things in this pouch and I'm not missing the pouch at all. It's not laying flat to my side or anything like that. So that's a really great feature. I love that part. And again, this hasn't worn out at all. It's going to stay wherever you mold this, it's going to stay. Okay. And that's just an awesome feature, I think. And that pretty much wraps it up as far as what I'd like to say about this pouch. And I can't say enough about it, really. This pouch has held up so well for me. There's no separation at all on the stitching anywhere on this pouch. I've looked it over several times and the stitching is holding everywhere. There's no fraying at all on this stitching. I don't have any gaps in it. And I mean, that's phenomenal because I'm telling you, I can be rough on these pouches. And, you know, I've been through a couple of them already. They didn't last. And for the money, what I paid for this one is less than $50. It was well worth it. I would encourage you to take a look at this pouch, and yeah, it's a great pouch. So if you want to take a closer look, I dropped a link in the description below where you can go have a look at this pouch on Amazon. So if you're looking for a durable pouch that's going to hold up through a lot of use, then consider the Gray Ghost Ultimate. Okay, this pouch is great. Go have a look at this video. This is probably the ultimate hand digger right here from Excalibur Shovels. So go check it out.